The Lalu Prasad Yadav family, one of Bihar's most prominent political dynasties, is in the news, and it is not just related to the poll debacle it received in the Bihar Assembly polls. A day after the Rashtriya Janata Dal's RJD's crushing defeat in the Bihar Assembly polls, Lalu Prasad Yadav's daughter Rohini Acharya, who donated her kidney to her father a few years ago, took to social media and announced that she is quitting politics and disowning my family. She also claimed that her brother Tejasvi Yadav's close aide Sanjay Yadav had in fact asked her to take the step. Many within the RJD are pointing out that the party may face a split if things are not addressed properly. Many also suspect that the division may also result in various factions rallying behind different family members of the party. Acharya also levels several allegations pointing out that she was humiliated and abuses were hurled against her, which led to her exiting the Lalu Prasad Yadav's house. Yadav, who built the RJD from scratch into a formidable force over the past few decades, his wife Rabri Devi has also served multiple terms as Bihar's chief minister. Their children, especially Tejasvi Yadav, Tej Pratap, Misa Bharti and Rohini Acharya have all been active in politics. Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabri Devi have 9 children. Misa Bharti, who is a Lok Sabha MP and MBBS graduate from Patna Medical College, she briefly assisted Rabri Devi in governance when Lalu was imprisoned in 1998. Rohini Acharya, also an MBBS doctor, lives in Singapore with her husband Samaresh Singh, an investment banker. Chanda, Ragini and Hema are the middle daughters. Chanda Singh is a law graduate and has stayed away from public politics. She is married to Vikram Singh, a pilot. Ragini Yadav is married to Samajwadi Party linked businessman Rahul Yadav, and she has mostly remained outside politics. Hema Yadav also keeps a low profile. Anushka Rao is said to have studied law and is married to Chiranjeev Rao, MLA, and the son of former Haryana Minister Ajay Singh Yadav. Tej Pratap Yadav and Tejasvi are the 2 sons who have also been at loggerheads for quite some time. The family crisis that has been unfolding over the past few days has only intensified as 3 more daughters of Lalu Prasad Yadav left their Patna residence following Acharya's allegations. Ragini, Chanda and Raj Lakshmi also left the family's Patna residence. Tej Pratap Yadav, who had earlier launched his own political outfit, also came out with a public statement lending support to Rohini while condemning the unbearable insult she had faced. The rivalry between Tej Pratap and Tejasvi began way back in 2015 when both of them, as political novices, were made ministers in Nitish Kumar's government. At that time, the JDU and the RJD had formed the Mahagathbandhan to stop the BJP. However, Tejasvi, the younger brother and youngest of the siblings, was made the deputy CM and thus had seniority. Since then, a lot has unfolded, with Tej Pratap earlier this year in May being expelled from the party for 6 years and was also disowned by his father Lalu Prasad Yadav for irresponsible behavior not in accordance with family values. At the heart of all this issue was a controversial Facebook post from Tej Pratap's account, which included a picture of him and a woman named Anushka Yadav, which stated that they had been in a relationship for several years. Tej Pratap then launched a new party and even contested elections from Mahua unsuccessfully. However, presently, it is Acharya's story which is central to the entire controversy that has unfolded over the past few days. Rohini recently took to social media platform X and publicly announced her decision to quit politics and also said she was severing ties with her family. She also pointed to the emotional and physical abuse that was meted out to her, including derogatory remarks that were made against her, such as having a quote-unquote dirty kidney. Rohini, in a detailed post, recounted what all had happened and said she was told she had committed a sin by prioritizing her father's health over her own nuclear family. She also accused her brother Tejasvi Yadav and his close circle RJD MP Sanjay Yadav and former cricketer Ramiz Nemat Khan of being the force behind the entire issue. Acharya alleged that her brother Tejasvi Yadav's close aide Sanjay Yadav had in fact asked her to take the step. Sanjay, a Rajya Sabha member and Tejasvi's key political advisor, has been in the spotlight since the start of the election season, and after the RJD's drubbing, criticism against him has only intensified. Previously, Lalu's eldest daughter and eldest son, Misa Bharti and Tej Pratap Yadav, had also spoken against Sanjay Yadav. RJD functionaries claim that Rohini blamed Sanjay solely for the party's poll defeat and the growing discord within the family too. Sanjay Yadav was also indirectly targeted by Tej Pratap Yadav's political outfit a few hours after the election results on Friday. The Jan Shakti Janata Dal on Facebook accused Jai Chand of ruining the RJD, a remark which was seen as aimed at Sanjay Yadav. Jai Chand was a 12th century ruler of the Kannauj kingdom who is famously remembered in popular lore as a traitor. Several RJD leaders told the print that Sanjay has over the years become so close to Tejasvi that most major political decisions are taken only after his advice. In the Bihar poll, Sanjay is said to have played a key role in candidate selection as well as shaping RJD's campaign strategy that collapsed quite badly. Just before the assembly polls, when the RJD removed Tej Pratap Yadav from the party, he had accused quote-unquote Jai Chand for his ouster, a dig seen as directed at Sanjay. Lalu's eldest daughter and Patliputra Lok Sabha MP Meesa Bharti had also spoken against his nomination to the Rajya Sabha in 2024. Rohini previously too had expressed her displeasure at Sanjay's growing influence by sharing a critical post on X and later unfollowed Tejasvi and Lalu. She wrote that she has no desire to contest the assembly election and get a Rajya Sabha seat while attacking party trolls for defaming her. At the center of this entire controversy is the 2025 Bihar Assembly elections, where the RJD suffered a crushing defeat, winning just 25 out of 243 seats. Rohini has also claimed that a slipper was thrown at her and she was verbally abused during a heated confrontation, an issue that has been seized by the BJP as well as the JDU. Both the BJP and the JDU have criticized the Yadav family for what they call a quote-unquote patriarchal anti-woman mentality. Amidst the turmoil, Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabri Devi have maintained an eerie silence in public, even as source-based information have pointed to emotional scenes that have been reported within their home. All eyes of Bihar and India remain fixed on the Yadav clan, watching to see what will unfold next. This is Neelam Pandey reporting for The Print.